Once upon a time, there was a software development company that specialized in building custom software solutions for its clients. The company had a great reputation for delivering high-quality software on time and within budget. However, the company began to face more challenges as it started taking on more complex projects. One day, the company was hired to build a custom inventory management system. This was for a large retail chain. The project was estimated to take 6 months to complete, and the team was excited to get started. However, the company decided to use the traditional waterfall methodology to manage this project. The project started off well. As the team began to develop the software, they quickly realized that the requirements were changing rapidly. The team had to constantly go back and revise the requirements, which caused significant delays and frustration for everyone involved. The delays meant that the project timeline was pushed back and the team began to feel the pressure of looming deadlines. The team members started to work longer hours and weekends to try to catch up, but the project was still behind schedule. As the deadline approached, the team finally delivered the inventory management system, but it was far from perfect. The system had several bugs, and some of the functionalities didn't even work as expected. The retail chain was not happy. The retail chain was not happy at all with the product, and the company had to spend additional time and money fixing the issues. As the project completed, the company realized that they needed a better approach to project management. They began to explore what we call the Agile Scrum methodology and decided to give it a try on their next project. The company was hired to build a custom e-commerce platform for a small startup. This time, they decided to use the Agile Scrum methodology to manage the project. The team worked in short sprints and focused on delivering small incremental features that were tested and validated by the client. The Scrum Master facilitated regular meetings to ensure that everyone was aligned and focused on the project goals. As a result, the team was able to deliver a fully functional e-commerce platform in just 4 months. The client was thrilled with the product, and the company received great feedback and referrals from the startup. The company realized that Agile Scrum methodology was the key to their success, and they began to implement it on all of their projects. They found that the Scrum approach allowed them to be more responsive to changing requirements, deliver high-quality products, and also to keep projects on track and within budgets. In the end, the company learned an important lesson, which you and I can learn. In today's fast-paced world, using Agile Scrum approach to project management is crucial for success. So how does this work? The Agile project management is a methodology that involves an empirical control method, which means that decisions are made based on the reality observed on the project. This approach is effective for both new product development and the enhancement and the upgrades of projects. The methodology involves unfiltered transparency, frequent inspections, and immediate adaptation. So what's unfiltered transparency? This means that everyone involved in an agile project knows what is going on and how the project is progressing. This ensures that everyone is on the same page and has a clear understanding of what needs to be done. Frequent inspection is necessary for an agile project to succeed. The people who are invested in the project or the product and the process regularly evaluate the product and the process. This helps to identify any potential issue early on so that immediate actions can be taken to address them. Immediate adaptation process. This is key to the success of agile projects. Adjustments are made quickly to minimize problem. If an inspection shows that something needs to change, it is changed immediately. This allows for the project to be more flexible and adaptable to changes in requirements. To accommodate frequent inspection and immediate adaptation, agile projects work in iterations, which are smaller segments of the overall project. An agile project involves the same type of work as in the traditional waterfall, such as creating requirements and designing, developing the product, documenting it, and testing the product. But however, instead of completing all of the steps for all the product features at once, as in the waterfall project, the project is broken down into iterations, which we call sprints. For example, imagine you're developing a software application. In an agile project, you would break the project into iterations, each with specific sets of requirements and features to be developed. You would work on one iteration at a time, testing and fixing any issue before moving on to the next iteration. This approach allows for more frequent feedbacks and adaptation, resulting in a better product that meets the needs of the customer. For more information on how to use Scrum Agile Project Management to develop your product and your project and gain the necessary agility to achieve fast, consistent, sustainable project delivery, then you need to attend the J.K. Michaels Scrum Master Certified Certification Training, or the Project Agile Training, or the PMP training that embodies Agile as well. For more information, please visit our website, www.jkmichaelspm.com. Think training? Think J.K. Michaels. Think training impact? Think J.K. Michaels. See you in class.